No matter if you work professionally or just handle projects around the house, plumbing often throws tough challenges your way. So here are 13 clever tools that make those jobs quicker, easier, and a lot more precise. A sudden leak can turn into a mess fast, so having a quick fix ready is a lifesaver. This rapid clamp offers an instant way to stop water flow from burst pipes anywhere. Just position it over the leak, secure it in place, and the water stops right away. It is small, durable, and super simple to use, no plumbing skills needed. Snap it on whenever a leak shows up and keep things under control until you can make a permanent repair. Cutting plastic drain pipes gets a whole lot easier with this Knipex pipe cutter designed for 32, 40, and 50 mm pipes up to 2.4 mm thick. It delivers smooth, precise cuts using slide bearings and self-adjusting guide rolls, giving every job a clean, professional finish. The dual-stage blade design lets you cut and chamfer in one go, saving both time and effort. Built tough for demanding work, it holds up to repeated use, while the long-lasting ball-bearing steel blade rarely needs replacing, and when it does, swapping it out is quick and simple. Working on pipes or fittings becomes smoother with this versatile pliers wrench that fits fasteners up to 42 mm wide. It's built for both professional and home use, handling all kinds of plumbing tasks with ease. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain during long jobs. Its 8-to-1 lever ratio multiplies your hand force, so turning stubborn fasteners feels effortless. Made from strong, high-quality materials, it easily endures heavy use without wearing out quickly. Speed up your pipe connections with this press fitting system built for plumbing and heating lines up to 4 inches in size. Crafted from durable, high-grade materials and made to meet strict industry standards, it offers both reliability and safety. By eliminating the need for soldering or welding, it cuts labor time nearly 90% while removing the risks of open flames. Each connection takes roughly 16 seconds to complete, keeping your work quick, secure, and neat every time. Sick of dealing with stubborn clogs and plungers that barely work? This high-efficiency plunger gives strong, low-flow power to clear blockages in standard toilets without all the hassle. It's built from durable, non-marking rubber, so it won't leave scratches or damage your bowl, and the sturdy, white handle is easy to grip and keeps things looking neat when stored in the bathroom. Tough clogs don't stand a chance, making every cleanup faster and way less frustrating. Cutting copper or stainless steel pipes becomes effortless with the EZARC pipe cutter built for speed and precision. Available in 3 versions to match different needs, it delivers clean, accurate cuts using sharp SKD steel blades that stay durable through heavy use. Smooth rolling control keeps each pass steady, preventing slips or uneven edges. Despite its solid performance, the lightweight build makes it easy to maneuver, helping you work faster and more comfortably on any job. Getting a clear view inside pipes is easier than ever with the SeeSnake microReel, a compact inspection reel that delivers sharp, upright images even in tricky conditions. Bright LED lights and autoflip imagery ensure you always see crisp visuals, while TrueSense technology enhances detail for more accurate inspections. Its lightweight build and built-in kickstand make it simple to carry and set up anywhere, giving professionals and DIY users a smart, reliable way to check what is happening inside those hard-to-reach lines. Now here we have the QuietFILL toilet fill valve, which makes everything run smoothly again. It solves issues like constant running, noisy refills, and poor flushes, while being perfectly suited for modern high-efficiency toilets. The adjustable refill feature helps control water flow precisely, keeping performance balanced every time. A built-in strainer also traps sediment to simplify maintenance and extend the life of your system. With this upgrade, you get quieter operation and stronger performance without any extra hassle. Making strong connections with PEX pipes is easy with these push-on quarter-turn valves from Keeney that use a compression sleeve for a secure fit. Installation is simple. Just tighten the nut with basic hand tools, and the sleeve compresses around the pipe while the internal barb and double O-ring keep everything leak-free. Built with trusted quarter-turn ball valve technology, these valves offer reliable performance and long-lasting durability for both professional and home plumbing jobs. Bending pipes by hand is a struggle, but this hydraulic pipe bender makes it effortless for copper, brass, and plastic pipes in plumbing projects. Quick to set up, it handles soft copper pipes from 1/4 to 7/8 of an inch in diameter. The built-in Angle Master lets you see the bending radius clearly, so each bend is precise. A few simple strokes are all it takes to shape pipes accurately, saving time and energy on every job. Next, we have the Capri double flaring tool, which allows for quick and precise double flares on 3/16" tubing, perfect for brake lines and other applications. It works with steel, nickel, and copper tubing, cutting your work time in half compared to traditional methods. The portable design lets you flare tubing both on and off the vehicle, even in tight spaces, while the detachable die lets you use it with a bench vise for added flexibility. Equipped with everything needed for double flares, you only need a 10 and 17mm wrench to get started. Installing sink strainers or drop-in shower drains becomes quick and easy with this professional-grade wrench. Made from precision aircraft-grade aluminum, it is strong and durable enough to handle tough plumbing tasks, while the powder-coated finish keeps cleanup simple. Its versatile design works for kitchen faucets, sinks, and shower drains, letting you tackle multiple projects with a single tool and saving time and effort on every job. Plumbing jobs get a lot simpler with this clever tool that saves you from needing a whole toolbox. Its specially designed slots grip lock nut wings without breaking them, and it works with most metal and plastic lock nuts, coupling nuts, PVC lock nuts, and toilet supply nuts. The cutaway design lets it fit around existing supply lines to remove coupling nuts and then slide around faucet shanks to handle metal and plastic nuts, making tricky jobs quick and hassle-free. Those were 13 handy plumbing tools that can make any job easier. Thanks for checking out the video. If you found it useful, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to catch more helpful videos like this in your feed.